ते एक सर्वे काढून सांगेल तांकां कितू स्क्रॅप यार्ड्स आहाय त्यो कुंकोळ्या बिकॉज देर आर सायकल कार भोंवताय कुंकोळ्या सायकल कार भोंवताय आनी तुम जाणा हेंचा ते इश्यूज हेंचा न्हू आमगे वुमन एंड चायल्ड इज नॉट सेफ स्पेशली गर्ल चायल्ड इज नॉट सेफ सो बोरवेल्स इंडस्ट्रीन जायते आहाय इलिगल जालो आहाय आनी बोरवेल ते वेला इट्स लायक ऑल ब्लॅक वॉटर ओके सो आम कंप्लेन येयलो ते मातशें चॅक करचें मग थिंगा इंडस्ट्री वचून कितले बोरवेल येयला आम कमिशन नासतना थिंग बोरवेल मारलो दोन तेमी टॅक्सी सगळे चडयल्ले आनी ते चडयले ते चडयल्ले वीच पीपल दे नॉट हॅपी विथ इट आनी लोकांक जायत आमकां येयला कंप्लेन येयले की टॅक्स चड जाला आमकां जायना आनी हरे म्हळ्यार लमसम एक पे करपा इट इज टू मच एक पाटी लोकांक जायना सो ताका लागून when I became a chairperson, I called a meeting with the councillors. We discussed, and then the councillors also agreed. And the councillors agreed zali ki ami slash down kashmo.
As far as illegal bore wells are concerned, no, that is coming under the jurisdiction of IDC. So we cannot do anything.
Okay.
But there are several illegal
scrapyards
wells in the Kunkole municipal area who are removing, extracting water and supplying for business purpose.
Bore wells.
Bore wells, not bore wells. Well, digging of wells, and these wells are without permission. Council have not done the survey. See, what is important is that we have to do the survey first, where the scrapyards are located and who are the owners. So these three things, I think we are lagging behind. We should do this first.